Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can connect your Dell monitor to your MacBook Air. So first thing, you want to turn off your MacBook and Dell monitor. Then determine if you need to use a video adapter to connect the monitor by checking the video input ports on the device. Many MacBooks and MacBook Pros features they have a rather VGA port. If your Dell monitor only has a VGA port, you may need to use a VGA adapter. So this is important. Now I'm going to show you right here something. So either you're gonna have, let's say, a USB Type-C, but if it's not available for you, then what you need to do is that you need to have, like, let's say you're gonna have a HDMI port or you're gonna have VGA port. You then need to use adapter. So this is really important. So for what you have, it's really simple. You need to use adapter. So secure one end of the video cable to the port on the back of the Dell monitor and then secure the other end of the cable to your MacBook. If you're using a video adapter to connect the two devices, connect the adapter to the device port of the MacBook and then connect the video cable to the other end of the adapter. So this is how you're gonna do it. It's like super simple. You are going to have, it's going to look like this. Do you see that? But what may happen is that you won't be able to connect it to your laptop MacBook Air. Therefore, what you're gonna need is that you are going to need like adapter like this if you're connecting through the HDMI. So this is what you want to check out actually. And have a great day and goodbye.